Everyone, let's talk about Barangay Poblacion. Why Barangay Poblacion in Consolacion was named like that? It because Poblacion Oriental and Consolacion Cebu is named because it represents the Eastern Oriental section of the municipality, Central Historic Downtown Area Poblacion. The terms Poblacion designated it as the administrative or original town center, while Oriental discussed is geographically center, while often paired with the western counterpart of Poblacion or Poblacion Oriental. Poblacion refers to the central old town area or poblacion of the city or municipality in the Philippines, derived from the Spanish term to population. Oriental refers to the eastern side oriental of the town center, separating from the western side occidental, which is a common division for the central barangay in the Consolacion. Here, from the person na musilingan, charot. Let's interview. So, sir, unsa man imong mastorya there sa inyong barangay?
Okay ra.
Ora.
Wala ra.
Hi, Day. Pwede ka ma-interview, Day, ka ng unsa man imong mga na-experience nga nindot dere sa Consolacion?
Unang mga pista, mabrayahan, mataw, nindot ang mga kalingawan, hanggang kayo.
Nya. Kanang unsa may mga nindot nga laaganan diri sa Consolacion?
Libo, Kapi Kahoy, Barsima, Raypoy Heights,